we got this Dragon's Milk bourbon barreled aged stout. New Holland Brewing, Holland, Michigan. 11% alcohol, and we're having with some tri-tip tonight. It smells of it, dude.
Dark brown. Tight, dense, dark brown.
Dude, it smells fucking wonderful. Dude, it tastes fucking good. It tastes like bourbon. Yeah, this goes real well with the meat we're having tonight, though. Yeah, this is a good pairing.
Boy, it's rich.
Oh, yeah. Nose and the taste.
It's like a goddamn shot of whiskey.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's less stout-like than it is whiskey-like.
Oh, I know.
Like all those big stout flavors take a total backseat to that alcohol right up front.
Oh, yeah.
And then 11 point whatever % alcohol on top of that just to make it more.
Oh, 11%
You know?
even, yeah.
God,
Michigan did a good thing here.
that's outstanding.
Yeah. Plus, this goes really good with that rich meat of tri-tip steaks that we're having.
And it's peppery.
Oh, yeah.
Goes well with this too. A lot of that coarse black pepper and very smoky, and a lot of that, like a lot of creosote root in there and stuff, you know.
I didn't think it would be so whiskey-like.
It's exceptionally potent in every way. The flavors are just like over the top.
Yeah. It's good though.
Yep. Yeah, some toasted kind of bready grain in there.
Yeah.
Some chocolate at the very end.
I agree.
Like rich, dark chocolate.
Yep. The dark chocolate, and then you get that little slight hint of coffee grain a little bit too.
Fruitiness or plum or like a black cherry or something.
Yeah. Yeah, black cherry.
Yeah, it's really complex. I mean, there's almost like, you know, some fresh vanilla kind of notes that come through.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, vanilla for sure.
A lot of different phases and moods to this beer. When you add the meat to it, it's really, man, I don't know. It really shows its complexity. It's amazing.
That's cool.
Yeah, needs to go with food. Dark chocolate cheesecake would go well with this too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Just rich and over the top. Chocolate crust, dark chocolate, you know, like triple chocolate, even like a chocolate sauce, you know, and then a little bit of this just slightly poured over the top of it.
Yep. More dessert type of stuff.
Mousse and lava cakes and all of that kind of stuff.
Dude, some of that gamey like bison.
Yeah, it'd hold its own against all kinds of stuff. Beef ribs and all sorts of things. Anything charbroiled or coal roasted.
It's like you're drinking a bottle of bourbon.
Yeah, because I'm not a liquor drinker.
Oh, yeah, me neither. But this is fucking...
Man, this is like sipping on whiskey.
Yeah. Well, pretty much.
Tri-tip's cooled down a little bit here. I laid mine in the coals for a while, too, and seared the outside into a solid coal crust on one side.
Yeah. Yeah, mine was very rare.
Yeah, it actually mellows out a little more when you're eating it with the meat.
I'll bet,
yeah. Yeah, it's much more subtle. Because I've got some strong flavors going here, too. And a lot of char and... It changes it a little bit.
It's actually... other than the harshness of the alcohol...
Yeah.
It's very smooth. Like to the tongue, like it's like drinking milk.
Yeah, this is something else for sure.
Yeah. Hey, what do you think of it?
Oh, it's incredible.
Yeah, me too. I think the same damn thing.
Yeah,